If your dress facing never fits properly, wrinkles or looks untidy, you're probably cutting it the wrong way. And in this tutorial, I'll show you the exact way to cut your facing for any dress neckline perfectly, from round neckline to any type of neckline you are aiming to make. So the first thing you have to do is to fold your dress into two. So now this is the part, like this is just a fabric I just drafted, just like an upper bodice. So let's assume this is our dress now. So what I have to do is to fold it into two equal parts, just like this, guys. I hope you can see. Now after folding it into two equal parts, I'll drop it aside. Now I'll go ahead and just bring another piece of fabric. You can see now it is also folded into two, like this. And now the next thing I'll do is to know the amount of fabric you're supposed to fold. You just have to bring your dress, place it like this, and make sure you have some allowances up and some by the side also. Now that I've placed it like this, I'll go ahead and bring the main dress and place it on that fabric we folded. Now you will make sure the folded part is facing towards the folded part of the fabric. And now I'll go ahead and pin it down on that point. I'll also come to the shoulder point and pin it down. Why we are doing this is to make sure it doesn't move while we are tracing the neckline. Now you can see what I'm doing. I'm tracing the exact neckline I have here on my dress on this fabric here. So you can see what I'm doing. I also went ahead to trace the shoulder exactly the same way. Now that we have done this, the next thing I'll go ahead and do is just to remove the pins. And this is what we have. Now to the facing. From this point, I'll be coming down by 3 inches. 3 inches is just like the standard measurement. So I'll also come here and mark 3 inches. So I'm just marking 3 inches. Now I'll connect from that shoulder line there all the way to the down part where we marked 3 inches, guys. I hope you can see. And now I'll go ahead and just cut this out so that you can see what it looks like, guys. So right here, as you can see, I am done cutting it out, and this is what the facing looks like. Now I'll go ahead and bring our dress, this bodice here, this dress we drafted out, and you can see where I placed the facing on it. Now you place it like this and just go ahead and stitch the neckline, and this is how to make your facing. Wasn't this so easy? Now if you want to make for the back part, which has zip, is basically the same thing. The only difference is that you add a zipper to it, guys. So let me just show you. So I'm just opening this dress here. This is our dress. I told you 7 out our dress, so I'll just open the zipper there, and I've also gone ahead to fold this fabric also into two equal parts like this. Now see where I placed it, I'll go ahead and also pin it down. I told you where I'm pinning it so that it doesn't shift when we are tracing our neckline and shoulder on this fabric, guys. I hope you understand. So I'll just trace exactly what we have here. So what I'm doing now, also the shoulder point, I'll do the same thing like this, guys. I hope you can see. And this is it here. I'll now remove the pins just like this, and the next thing I'll do is to bring my tape. I'll just be marking the 1 inch for zipper allowance on our facing. Now I'll bring this here, our main dress, and I'll just notch it. That zipper part, I'll notch it so that it will also be on the facing, so that when we place the facing on this dress, it will align perfectly well. Now also the same thing we did for the front side. I'm coming down by 3 inches. I'm just marking it, and now I'll be connecting. After marking 3 inches, I'll be connecting from this shoulder point all the way down like this, guys. I hope you see what I'm doing. Please follow carefully, because I know by the end of this tutorial you should be able to make one by yourself just by watching this video. So right now I'm done cutting this, and this is what it looks like. Now I'll just open it up like this, the same way we opened up the dress. I'll separate it now. Remember, this is for the back part. Now if you are making the back that has zipper, so this is just how to go about it. I can see where I placed the facing on it, and the same thing, you just go ahead and stitch the neckline, and that is it, guys. That is just how to cut out your facing for any dress. Wasn't this tutorial so helpful? If it was, please do well to like this video, share this video to someone who you think will find this helpful, and don't forget to subscribe and turn on your notification so you'll be among the first to be notified whenever I upload new amazing sewing tutorials. And do well to leave a comment if you'll be trying this out. See you in my next one. Bye.